What's going on, guys? Today, after a long time of not being in the shop recording anything, I am here again. I'm trying to get a little bit more fabrication done on the A86. This A86 has a 4G63, older style, like from an Eagle Talon, I would say. And I've already done part of the downpipe, at least up to the 90 degree. I modified the manifold, modified the wastegate, modified the turbo housing, doing the intercooler piping right now, doing intercooler mount, and I have to continue doing the intercooler tubing all the way to the intake. Right now, I'm going to do the bottom portion of the intercooler tubing mount and continue with the tubing after that, and then back to the exhaust and the wastegate dump. And once that's done, I'm pretty much done with everything on my part. Actually, not really. I have to mount the alternator with the new bracket and everything, and I can't remember what else. I think that's about it. I have to do brake lines. I have to make new brake lines because we did the booster eliminator. So from Techno Toy Tuning, so we did that. I want to do everything super clean setup on the whole car. Still have a mess in the whole shop. I got rid of one of my 240s. I had another 240 here, right there parked, and it's gone. I took the diff out of it earlier today. I'm gonna continue to work on this car and, like I said, do the lower intercooler mount. Hopefully it's sturdy enough. If not, we're just gonna have to figure something out and see. But other than that, that's it for today. We're gonna go ahead and get that done. I'll probably show you guys an update after I'm done. Not sure how much I'm gonna get done on the downpipe. Definitely want to get done with the intercooler mount so I could get that mounted in place where it needs to be. I had already cut the chassis in the front right there and there, and made a plate and welded everything in really nice. So that's done. Just probably need to do some body work on it and a little bondo and a little sanding down and painting, and that would be it for there. And the intercooler mount, I'm just gonna powder coat it and put it back on after everything is done. So look forward to getting this car done. So let's make some progress on it, and stay tuned for the next update. All right, catch you guys later. All right, guys, so I was able to do some bead rolling with my new tubing bead roller from Eastwood. Got this die in, that's just to do the aluminum tubing for like intercooler tubing and stuff like that. It works great, perfect, nice, it comes out good. And I didn't show you guys what it's already installed. We installed this intercooler tubing. I had to chop it shorter, like a couple inches shorter. Installed it there, put the clamps on. They're loose, just to be able to move them around. It is going through the fender, or the inner fender, I should say. And I also did the driver's side, going to the throttle body. I need to find a clamp, or I gotta get the customer or something to give me a clamp big enough for the throttle body side, because it is bigger than 3-inch. It's like 3 1/4, and the clamp that he brought me does not fit. So it is going through the inner fender. And next thing is I have to go underneath, see where it comes out. If you can see it, it comes out underneath. Got to attach it to the intercooler. So it's coming out pretty good. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. Pretty happy about the purchase of the bead roller. Sorry about the runny nose, it's kind of cold out here. Been out here all day. Having fun with some guys. They came and got my S13, one of my S13s. But pretty happy about the progress. We're getting there. Like I said, now we're gonna go underneath and finish the intercooler tubing. That'll be a different day, not today. About to go eat some dinner, but finish the intercooler tubing and the bottom intercooler mount, and then the downpipe coming out under the fender. And then after that, do some roll cage work. You gotta decide whether 1 3/4 inch, 1 5/8, or something like that. Get with the customer, well, let him know what's best for whatever he wants to do with the car, and then we'll go from there. But just kind of decided to give you a rundown again with the runny nose of what's going on. Getting some progress here and there. Pretty happy about it. Kind of been forcing myself to work on it during the week. It's kind of hard for me after work, but I've been actually kind of forcing myself, not really forcing myself, but I'm on a mission to get this car done. So hopefully I can start working on this other guy with that other thing over there with that, yeah, you guys know what that valve cover is for. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Just keep pushing through. Keep joining me. I'm gonna probably do what my friend Devin said that he was gonna do. Probably copying off of him, but he actually had a pretty good idea. Just give you guys smaller videos every day, more consistent, instead of trying to do a big video or whatever. Which kind of fits what I'm doing, because I gotta work fast, and I gotta work, it's very little hours during the week. So I spend here maybe 2 hours a day, if that. So I need to make smaller videos, just give you guys an update of what's going on. Go ahead and upload them, that you guys see them. Just tell me what you guys think, whether you like them or not. I know I don't post enough, so this way, if I do shorter videos, I'll be able to post a lot more. So like I said, let me know what you guys think about the videos and everything that's going on. Not sure if you guys seen this car yet, but this is a friend of mine, or customer. This project, 9-inch rear end. It's a 85 Corolla or 86 Corolla. It's an AE86 for those who know what that is. It's got 9-inch rear end, welds, front and rear, drag radials on the back. It needs some suspension adjustment here and there. Front, it needs lower control arms because the guy that had this before had it set up for drifting, so I had extended control arms in the front. But like I said, I'm doing 6-point right now. As of now, I'm gonna leave room for, you know, maybe later on 10-point or something like that. It is going with some Kirk seats. That's coming out soon too, after I'm done with all the fabrication on the engine. But stay tuned for this build, guys, and definitely stay tuned for that one. That's an 82 Corolla TE72. For those who know what that is, old school car, man. I love these old school Corollas. Those that know me know that is very true. I love my old school Corollas. Love Toyotas, but stay tuned for what's to come, guys. And subscribe to the channel. Those that have already, I really appreciate it. Hit the notification bell so you get notified of upcoming videos. I said I'm gonna try to upload daily, smaller videos, and see how the channel goes. See what happens from there. I guess that's it, guys. I'll see you guys later. And as always, God bless.